equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To check if your Lenovo IdeaPad has removable RAM, start by gathering your tools. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power off your laptop and unplug it. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean any dust inside. Use compressed air to blow out any debris. Now, locate the RAM slots. If you see a RAM module, it may be removable. Check for clips on either side. Gently push them apart to release the RAM. If there's no RAM module visible, your laptop might have soldered RAM. For a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider contacting a local technician. They offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transport. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After checking, reassemble your laptop by replacing the back panel and screws. Power it on and enjoy your upgraded performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.